Hello students, welcome to Summarize Chemistry. Today we will discuss about what is conjugation. Okay, in our previous video we have discussed about the planarity, and today we are going to start a topic that is conjugation. What is conjugation? If anywhere the carbon contains the following like structure, then it should be undergo conjugation. Okay, if the carbon contains this like structure, means double bond, double bond, and so on, and like this: double bond, single bond, triple bond, double bond, single bond, positive charge, single bond, double bond, single bond, negative charge, double bond, single bond, positive charge, and like this. Okay, that means no repetition of bond. Okay, that means here is double bond and here is double bond, then it should be not called as conjugation. Okay, there will be differentiation of bonding. Let us go through some examples and questions. Which of the following possesses conjugation? Conjugation means the following structure will follow. Okay, see here: carbon, carbon, carbon. They are all are single bond, so it would not be a conjugation. Okay, then this one: carbon, 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 single bond, double bond, single bond. Okay, but when you see from here, then it is single bond and single bond. See again, this is carbon, and this is carbon. If you go from this carbon, single bond, double bond, single bond, this is conjugation. From this side it is conjugation. But if you go from here, then single bond, then so it is not conjugation. Okay, then here carbon, carbon, carbon. Okay, negative charge, single bond, double bond, single bond, negative charge, then it should be conjugation. Here also negative charge, single bond, double bond, single bond. From here double bond, single bond, negative charge, single bond, and like that these two are on conjugation and these two are not in conjugation. Note one thing, that if conjugation occur in one plane, then resonance will be favored. What is resonance? The shifting of bond. Okay, if the carbon which are in conjugation are in one plane, then it can be go through resonance, otherwise not. In this type of structure, the resonance will never occur. Okay, because this is not a planar molecule. Okay, that what it is written here. Okay, let us see some example. Number of conjugated position. You have to count that how many number of conjugated position are there in a structure. Like here, carbon, 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 4 carbon, double bond, single bond, double bond. So this double bond is one conjugation and this double bond is one conjugation. So here are two conjugation. Okay, now here double bond, single bond, positive charge. So here is a conjugation and here is a conjugation, two conjugation. Here double bond, single bond, positive charge, single bond, double bond. So here are three conjugation. Okay, so here is a note you have to learn, that more is the conjugated position. Okay, more is the stability, more is the resonance, more is the bond energy, and lesser will be the reactivity. You have to learn it for further question. Here are some questions for you. So let us start. Which of the following is most stable? The question asked is which of the following is most stable? Okay, so from here stability. Okay, the question is for stability. So when the more is the conjugated position, more will be the stability. So here you have to see that where is the more conjugation occurring. Okay, here single bond, single bond. Here no conjugation are going to happen. Okay, here double bond, single bond, one conjugation is occurring. Okay, but here 1, 2, 3 means single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Here are six pair of single bond, double bond. Okay, so here will be most conjugation occur. So this is most stable species. Like here, which of the following is more stable again? Here there is no conjugation, so it should be always out of the answer. Here, positive charge, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Here it also contains conjugation, but in this case it is highest in conjugation. So this will be the answer. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 double bond. Okay, but here are 3 double bond. So the highest conjugation will be here. So this is the most stable. And the decreasing order is C, B, A. That means this is the highest, and this is lower than this, and this is lowest. Okay. Here is a question for you. You have to comment it in the comment section. Which of the following have highest bond energy? Butane, butene, butadiene, buta-1,2-diene, buta-1,3-diene. Okay. Thank you so much for watching the video. If it is beneficial for you, then do like, share and comment, and do subscribe. Thank you.